YouTube, it's me again. What am I doing right now? This is scrap. So, I'm taking it apart because it's a 2P. A Black & Decker 150 2P router. I'm scrapping it because it don't work. In fact, I'm going to check it again and see if it works. And Freddy Krueger here is going to watch me. Yeah, Freddy Krueger. Just to make sure I didn't do anything wrong, I'm going to make sure and see if it works or not. Toast. It's toast. So, yeah. Anyway, stay tuned. Shh, be quiet. I'm trying to make a video here.
Okay.
We're going to take it apart right now. I guess we just start taking screws up. Eh? What are you doing to me back there?
I'm massaging you.
Oh, I'm getting a massage with Freddy Krueger claws. You showed him the Freddy Krueger claws? Cool.
That's a cupcake, right?
Kind of, sort of. I need something to put screws in. Do we have a bowl somewhere? Container?
Look, you can put the screws in here.
Not in there. Dingleberry.
Put them in the knuckle.
Maybe I'll put them in here. There we go.
Not even cold.
Screw container. Well, it's not cold in here today, that's why. Those screws in there.
So, Dada,
What?
on the 14th, it's Valentine's.
Yep. Valentine's Day, 14th.
I like Valentine's Day.
Yeah, how come?
China, it's Valentine's Day too?
I don't know. Anybody out there in YouTube land know if they celebrate Valentine's Day in China? Someone here wants to know. Look at that. This is cool.
People in China celebrate Valentine's.
Look, they use little Marets
I
there.
forgot to say.
What'd you forget to say?
Night, Arco.
Oh, that was easy peasy. Look at that. Nice vintage cord. Done. It's even got other ones here. Look at that. Little Marets. Why am I keeping the screws? I'm not really keeping them. Oh, it's got aluminum, copper aluminum wire. The white thing's probably no good. Budget ass wire in it. Right now. Do we got more screws to go? Yeah, let's take the handle off, I guess. Da-da, da-da-da-da. Kyle, you're weird, I swear. Come on. Ugh. Come on, handle. Does this thing come off? Hold on. Comes off somehow. Come on. Off the daisy. There we go. How the hell does this thing come apart? Holy camoles.
Freddy Krueger does not come to your house like me.
Like you, Freddy Krueger.
I think when kids watch this video, they're going to get scared.
I hope not. I don't want to scare anybody with these videos. Let me see this thing. There we go. Sometimes these things don't come apart very easy. Hey, are you watching?
They don't come apart.
Sometimes they just, well, they come apart. They just don't always come apart easy.
They come apart hard.
Yeah, sometimes they just don't cooperate. Well, usually the older stuff usually comes apart, but the newer stuff, not so gently.
I like screws.
You like screws?
Yeah, I like to plug them.
You like screwing around?
Yeah.
Okay. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. That one came out. That one's a little tough. Wish I had a electric screwdriver, but I don't. Dun, 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 dun. Another screw, another piece of metal, spring, a screwdriver thing here. Da, 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 da. What are we doing here? We're just taking stuff apart. Look at that. giant one. Ginormous screw. Ginormous, ginormous. Come on. Other ginormous one. Ginormous, ginormous. Da, 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 da. What you doing? Don't play with that thing.
I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, you're arguing in a video.
What?
So you know you're arguing.
I'm arguing in a video?
Yeah.
You know you're arguing in a video too?
What's
Dingo
so
splat.
cute?
It's the light bulb. Oh, there's even a light on this thing? That's cool. I don't think my own has a light bulb. Fancy. Careful. I'm trying to do something here. Trying to break shit here. Be careful. Call it come up. There we go. Got the whole call it out.
I'm the strongest
How in
kid.
the world does this come apart?
Dad,
What?
one time I was in the bathroom
Yeah.
with Mama, which I was like laying on it just like this,
Yeah.
which
You might want to not tell stories while we're doing a YouTube video, Kyle. Okay. That way they won't tell all our viewers all your secrets about you and your mama, okay?
yeah,
Sounds good?
yeah.
Sorry, viewers. You're not allowed to hear that story.
Oh, it's fun.
It's funny.
Yeah.
You have any other funny stories you can tell? You know any other funny ones? What?
I said I was pushing the tub.
Pushing the tub.
That was it. That's all I was saying.
Oh, okay. What are you doing here? This thing won't come off. I just keep taking screws out, no one's come off. Nothing wants to come apart. Nothing wants to come apart. Ah! Let's try this. Take the rest of them. Try to take this off. This damn thing off here. Come on. This is gonna come off. It's coming apart slowly, but not so surely. Not so sure. What?
I said no, nobody farted.
Nobody farted?
No, nobody farted.
I didn't say anybody farted. No, did you fart? Are you a fart bag? No? Okay.
I have pretzel. I need the pretzel.
Pretzel? Does pretzel drive an Etzel? Does pretzel drive an Etzel? No. How the hell does this thing come out? Oh my god. This thing is like not cooperating. I'm gonna take this screw out then. See what this one does. The non-cooperator. This bolt doesn't want to come out. Guess we just keep trying. When in doubt, use a grinder. That gets rid of everything. Probably should pause this while I get to this stupid thing.
On the bus,
Yeah,
I seen a Tesla.
cool. You seen a Tesla?
And I seen an Austin Mini.
Did you?
Yeah,
Cool.
a Mini.
A mini Austin. My daughter saw a Tesla and an Austin Mini today. That come off? No. How the hell does this thing come apart? Slowly but surely. All right. Having a little trouble here, folks. Come on. Come on. Maybe we'll get this open someday. There's another screw. There's another screw. Well, they definitely put a lot of Bakelite into this thing. I think it's Bakelite. It's a hard black plastic, so I would assume it's kind of like Bakelite. That good old, like, I guess this is 70s plastic. Good old 70s crap. Where's the other screwdriver? This thing? Yeah. There we go. Take that out of there. Oop, lost that one. Yeah, we'll take this one out here. Ah, man. I got a sore elbow. I don't know if I got, if I pulled a muscle or I think I got arthritis in my elbow because I can do certain things and certain things I can't do. And doing stuff like twisting like that is becoming a problem. Becoming a problem. Okay, that's that away. Now, can we get this out of here? Ooh, there we go. The 2-piece sleeve. That's out. This is... Okay, that's got to come out of there. Okay. There we go. One 2P knob. And I think this comes off somehow. How does that come off there? Is it screwed in? No. Let me see if I can pop this off. Oh, I won't want to come out. I don't want to break it off. I just want to get it out of there. Well, that's a piece of scrap metal. That there. Now what do we got here? Let's see. We have a little old-fashioned switchy switch. Old-fashioned. Did I say old-fashioned?
Dad, they still have Boston minis.
Boston minis?
Yeah.
Or Austin minis?
Austin.
They make newer ones, but the older ones they don't really make anymore. Well, they still make body shells, but they don't make them. They don't make that kind anymore. All right. Yeah, I think so. Well, there is no cooler kind. That is the coolest kind. Don't let you forget that. This isn't a plastic, like... There's a motor in here with a shitload of copper, and I have no idea how to get this out of here. There's one little thing here. I guess that's the bushing. Alright. Must be the bushings. Yep, there's the bushings. And what's in there? Nothing. Pretty cool. I don't know what bushings are made of, but oh well. How would this thing come apart? I don't think it would come apart. I think we're going to have to cut it open. That's what we're going to have to do. I'm thinking it's going to have to be cut open. You closed it? Oh, don't play with the windows. Okay? Maybe if this gets unscrewed. Maybe if I hold that, one of these, you can put this on here like so. That'll stay there. Hopefully. Little wrenchy wrench here. And then we can take a bigger wrench. And then we will... It's not really a bigger wrench, is it? No. Nope, that's not a bigger one. Take this one. Nope, that didn't work. Didn't work. My name is Emma. Shit. I think this calls for a set of vice grips. Yep. When in doubt, vice grip the stupid thing.
Your dad's Austin mini?
No, that's my Austin Mini.
You bought it?
Yep.
A long time ago?
I bought that about 15 years ago.
Dad, this is just like a pop tube.
Alright, that's pretty much it for this. Took it all apart, done. I'm gonna...
Like a pop tube.
Yeah, anyway, that's the end of the Black & Decker router. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.